When you think of building a website, what comes to mind? Probably coding, hosting, design, setup, hours, even days of work. But what if I told you that today, all you have to do is type your idea, and in seconds, it builds your entire website for you, ready to go live? Well, meet Cosmic.new, an AI website builder that's completely redefining how websites are created. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. Test it live. It's an AI-powered platform that lets you build full-stack web applications instantly. No coding, no setup, and no configuration nightmares. You simply describe what you want, and Cosmic does everything for you. Under the hood, it uses real production technologies like Next.js, React, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS. So you're not getting a toy project, you're getting a fully functional, modern web app. And the best part? It even takes care of hosting, authentication, database, and payments for you. It supports multiple login methods like Google, GitHub, and email, all ready to go out of the box. No Firebase setup, no OAuth headaches. Second, the database. It's built in. You can store data directly from your app without configuring external services. Then there's payments, and this part is seriously impressive. You can create products, subscriptions, or one-time purchases with just a few clicks. Whether you're selling a digital product, a course, or a SaaS plan, Cosmic handles the payment flow, taxes, and even shipping options. Another highlight is the Assets feature. You can upload images, videos, or documents, and Cosmic automatically organizes and tags them using AI. This makes it easy to reference media inside your app without worrying about file paths or hosting. And speaking of hosting, your project is automatically deployed with SSL, so it's secure and ready for visitors immediately. It's truly one of the smoothest setups I've seen in an AI builder. I'd say it's perfect for creators, freelancers, and early-stage startups. Basically anyone who wants to move fast. You can export your source code, make advanced edits, and deploy. When you first visit Cosmic.new, you'll be greeted by a clean and minimal interface. Right at the top, click Start for Free button. Pick Continue with Google. The Google flow is the quickest way in. Accept those and you're logged in instantly. No long forms, no password to remember. After the Google sign-in, Cosmic asks a few friendly onboarding questions. These are short prompts that help the platform learn what you want. Once onboarding is complete, you land in the Cosmic Builder dashboard. The page is clean and intentionally simple. Take a moment to scan the dashboard UI. At the bottom left, you'll notice a chat-like input area that says things like, "What can I help you with?" On the right, the big empty canvas currently displays, "Start building your Cosmic project." That's where your generated site will appear once the build completes. Now for the fun part, type your prompt. Click the prompt box and type exactly what you want. For this demo, I typed, "Create a portfolio website with a blog, a contact form, and payment options." Be concise, but specific. When your text is ready, press the small arrow button inside the prompt box or hit enter. That sends the request to the AI. You'll see the assistant status change to processing, or thinking through your request, and little animated dots. This is the build phase. Cosmic is generating the project structure, pages, and backend connections, AUF, database, payments. It usually takes under a minute for a basic project, but the UI will let you know it's working and show progress. When the build finishes, the preview pane automatically updates to show your new site. You'll see a homepage layout, navigation, and sample content for the portfolio and blog. Use the Preview, Code, and Assets tabs to explore. Preview shows the live site in an iframe. Code lets you inspect or export the generated Next.js/React source, and Assets lists any uploaded media or AI-tagged images the builder created. Next, test the generated features. Click into the blog section to see sample posts, open the contact page, and try the form to confirm it's wired up, and go to the payments area. The project will typically include product or subscription demo pages that are already connected to a payment integration. If you signed up via Google, authentication for test accounts should be pre-configured so you can try logging in with Google or email. Want to tweak design or content? You can edit text directly in the preview or switch to the Code tab to make deeper changes. If you prefer not to edit code, use the dashboard controls and content fields in the UI to replace images, change copy, or add new pages. The Assets tab helps you upload your own photos or drag in branding elements, and the AI may auto-tag them for easier use inside pages. When you're satisfied, use the top right Publish button to deploy the site. Cosmic handles hosting and SSL for you, so publishing typically pushes a live URL. If you need to move away later, find the Code tab or Export option to grab the full source and host it elsewhere. Cosmic gives you that flexibility so you're not permanently locked in. Whether you're a creator launching a new idea, a student learning how websites work, or a developer who just wants to speed up prototyping, Cosmic is worth trying out. So, final thoughts. Is Cosmic.new worth it? Absolutely. It's fast, it's intuitive, and it's built on real production technology. It's not just another AI gimmick. It's a serious tool that can help you build, launch, and scale projects faster than ever. Of course, it's still early days, and there's room to grow. But if this is the future of development, I'm all in. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to AI LedgerX, and turn on the bell so you don't miss future reviews of powerful AI tools. I'll drop the link to Cosmic.new in the description below, so you can explore it for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next deep dive into the world of AI innovation.